try to do that. So here's what we have. The original. And then I drew what I wanted. And then that is what we got. And that's good because it ain't gonna be that big. It doesn't need to be that detailed. So. Let's get this print. See that? Sit on it.
I was gonna say that's
improvising.
Smart. Hold on, let's see.
You know when you have your own foot pedal, but you don't tattoo yourself. Oh, I'm so thick. I wax myself.
Yeah.
I can handle a little needle.
That's a fact.
Say nothing. I think flowers are my favorite because even if your lines are crooked, it's a pedal. Pedals are crooked.
Full circle, your hat has a flower on it.
Wait, am I holding right?
Try to keep turning the needle so that it's like, so you stay on the line.
Am I doing it right?
Yeah. And then you keep going, and then if it's not there, you next to the line, and you take these.
I wouldn't, I don't know, I want to make it like baby. I had to explain. I was like, he's gonna come in here.
Oh, I felt it too.
Ooh. Once I shade a little bit, like this a few pieces. But really, I did the shading without that. These shadings I've done without
Earlier, but I was like, right before
Alright, part 2, we have another piece for the top of this. I just didn't have time tonight to do all that. But I like it. This is my first time shading.